Everybody wants an ice cream. So today it's a really sunny day, so we've decided to take the kids and the dog to the Clare Glens. It's just outside Limerick, but it's on the Limerick Tip border, and it's a fabulous place. I haven't actually been here for a couple of years. Lots of little waterfalls, lovely gorgeous river, and it's a great place to take the dogs and the kids because it's very safe as well. So let's get all the kids into the car and the dog Bella, and let's go. Here, put this on. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, look at your little puppy, Lola. I love it. And there's Bella. So we're going to hit the road now and on to the Clare Glens. Let's go. Go through. Wow. We're here at the Clare Glens. As you can see, the waterfalls, the river, it all looks amazing. It's so peaceful. Lola is having a great time, and so is Bella the dog. And we're going to go on a little bit more of an adventure through here now and show you some more of the scenery. And I think the dog might even go for a little swim. Lola, do you see all the waterfalls? Do you see them? Ice cream, ice cream. Everybody wants an ice cream. Hop, hop, hop. Ice cream, ice cream.
We're gonna find some fishes.
Go down, Lola. Stay there again.
This is the Clare Glens.
You love it here, Lola?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do. We love all the water, don't we?
Yeah.
Is it a bit slippy?
Yeah, look
And there's
at
loads of rocks to climb, isn't there? Lots of puddles. We've been looking for fish. Lola's really having a great time. The store. The Clare Glens is great for families, great for walks, and you can have a little picnic. There's some swings at the end, but we'll show you. And there was even an ice cream van there today. You're a bit wet. Look at your socks are all wet. It's okay. Don't cry in. Don't cry in. It's only water. You see this one is filled up with water. Only a little bit. Okay. Let's go. Up this. You see them? Wow. Look.
They're like Patrick.
St. Patrick's Day. No.
This is from Clare Glens.
Oh, that's lovely. This is the Clare River. We're on the border between Tipperary and Limerick. Ideal spot for dog walkers, taking the family, bring a picnic, or just a solo walk on your own. What's in your hands, Lola? What's it called? Very nice. A pine cone. Oh. Yummy. Show me your ice cream. The ice cream is all gone, Lola. Lola, you've no ice cream left. Did you eat it all? Wow. Are you smiling because we're having so much fun? So the Clare Glens today was such a lovely spot to take the kids and the dog. Bella really enjoyed herself and the swimming. And we're just home now, so the kids have just jumped out. They're hungry, they want to get something to eat. And so we're going to see you on the next adventure. So thank you very much for coming along today. We've really enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. So make sure to subscribe, ring the bell, or whatever it is that you'd like to do, so that you can come along and see our next video and see where our next adventure takes us. So we'll see you soon. Bye.